Hey guys, it's TheChillGuy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be taking a look at what's under the hood of my baby right here. And we'll be doing a cleaning, so stay tuned. I just want to say that I'm not a professional PC builder. This is my first PC I've built. I'm very proud of it. I did a lot of research. I watched a lot of YouTube videos with Linus Tech Tips, Paul's Hardware, Bitbit. If you know those people, then shout out. But this is my first baby and I'm very proud of it. But the one thing I want to say is that I'm not professional, again. And my disclaimer is that my cable management is terrible. Don't judge me. What I want to say is that if you have any tips, like post in the comments below. They give to me videos of good cable management, but to me I think it's art. And I'm not good with cable management, but it's my first baby, so we'll see. So don't judge me. Now let's briefly go over my parts. So this is a Roswell MTX case. I got a full towel because I want to go big. Luckily for me, it has two fans in the front. You can't see here, but I'll show it in the back. I'll show it when I open it up. And then there's the back here with the IO shield. So let's open her up and see what's inside. So it's very dirty. And which is why we'll be doing the cleaning today. So at first glance, it looks very chaotic and haphazard. But if you can see, we'll start with the motherboard. This is a Fatality X370 professional gaming motherboard. I paid a good bit for it. This is the stock cooler that came with the Ryzen CPU 2600. Here is my graphics card, MSI Radeon, 8GB overclock 580. That's what I have here. I don't know if you guys can see, hoping that you can see it well. Right here, I have M.2 SSD, and I have another one here. The one on top is 280GB, and I use that for my operating system for Windows. I get pretty much quick booting times. And then here, I have other storages here. Two 1TB hard drives. An old hard drive here that I use, a spinning hard drive, but it doesn't work often. Doesn't work. And then behind here, I have my additional storage. So with the case, you could easily take these stuff out, which I need to take out. So let's get this out. This is my handy screwdriver kit. By the way, I got this at my local hardware store. So these screws I need to store for later because they are important. And about time I took some of these stuff out because I had them here and I was using them, but how this was so old, I took it from my previous computer, my laptop, and I wanted to keep the files that was on it. But because it was so old, it slowed down my booting time, so I just ended up taking it. I removed it from the whole PC. I disconnected it. So now that we got that out, this is the garbage. I'll put this back in here, and I'll save those screws for when I get my additional storage in the future. What else we have? So we have a power supply unit. This is about 650 watts. As you can see, I don't have much RGB. The only RGB here is the lights on the front, which I'll show you here. Right here is blue light in the front. Additionally, right here, I have a CD drive installed here in the 5.5 bays. CD drive right here. And then here, on top here, magnetic filter on top. And underneath is also another magnetic filter. So I paid about $60 for this case and I got a lot of bang for my buck. Another magnetic filter, bottom, top. It has one fan at the rear of the case and it has two fans at the front. 1, 2. So these are pretty cool. Anything else that I miss? Not really. So the rear of the case, not the rear, the other side with the other panel. I just want to say that this is what my poor cable management shows. Don't judge me. Ooh, I know. But what can we do? I mean, it looks bad. Other people would have done a better job, but like I said, I'm not professional. As you can see here, I tried to tie up some of the stuff here that came with the front. On top of the case is my SSD, not M.2, my SSD, 500GB SanDisk, additional storage. So now, time for the cleaning. So what I'm going to clean with is that I have some compressed air and I have some wipes. If baby wipes good for the baby, then it should be good for the PC. So what I'm going to do is give you guys a close-up of how dirty it is, and then we'll just be before and after. Okay, so we'll start with the external parts. You wipe them off. So I'm gonna slow it down just to say that there's something soothing about cleaning your PC, just knowing that you're taking care of it, and it'll take care of you, I guess, but you'll speed it back up. At this point here, it's where it gets a little bit challenging, because you can't wipe off these parts here with wipes naturally or any type of cloth. And I don't know, I'm just not gonna bother taking out the hard drives at this point, because I already have the pixel connected and I'm playing with that part. Okay. For the fun part. You can't really access the fans here. So I can say for certain here, I haven't cleaned these fans properly. It's really hard to get, man. They're really hard to get, very hard to get. So I took this front panel off here. Very challenging to take off. Very challenging. Because we don't need to access the front fans. Okay, so pretty much done here. Just I'm gonna give it one last spray, and then we'll put she back together. Actually, we'll put her back together. So I think I did a pretty good job. Let's take a look at everything. So I'll show you guys how everything looks right now. I'm liking how it looks. What I should have done was showed you guys my GPU and CPU temperatures before and after to compare, but you know, this is not really like a full-on tech channel. Let me know what you guys think. So now that we've got her cleaned up, now it's time to put her back together. So that pretty much sums everything up. I'm pretty satisfied how I cleaned her. So I'm hoping that I get better temperatures in the future. I'm hoping that it doesn't get as dusty as it is now. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay frosty.